Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word softest. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The cashmere sweater was the softest garment she had ever touched. Softest is a comparative adjective used to describe something that is the most gentle, smooth, or comfortable to the touch compared to other items. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.